Okay, so in today lecture we are going to study about the today our scenario is customized record highlights with compact layout. Today we're gonna to study how we can customize our record page, okay, and the record layout. Okay, so it's just simple. We are going to a record pages, okay, and just I'm going to the app launcher. Okay, after clicking the app launcher I am just type here the our app name which we have created custom the college. Okay, so now I have two objects, the one is student and the second is teacher. When I click on students and after the student when I click on the new, so uh no teacher information I am clicking again. So now I have the student information. So if you want to customize this form, for example, you are looking here, are you agree? This is on the wrong place. I wanna keep it down all the fields. So how I can do that? Okay, so the other thing, if you wanna keep the email before the father name keep after the email, student email. Just like if you wanna keep some field here I don't of the owner, so you can do it and how you can do it. Okay, so today we will learn this. Okay, so we're going to start. First step, come here and you just click on the gear icon, then click on the setup. Okay, after clicking the setup you will come in here on the setup, Salesforce setup, then click on the object manager. Okay, you can do it from here also. Okay, and you can do here easily also, just come here and edit the object. So automatically you will be coming here on the setup and then and the object manager and the student object. Okay, so it's so easy. Okay, this is the easy way to come here to edit your page, your record, your object layout. Okay, today we are going to study the page layout. So what is the page layout? The page layout is just you are looking here, this is your record layout. Okay, this is your page layout. Okay, record page layout. So how you want to customize and how you want to create your page layout, so you can create it, you can create it new also. Okay, and you can edit the page layout which this is first created by default. You can edit also this page layout. Okay, so I am editing the student layout. When I click on the student layout, so now you can see this type of interface appear with the front of you people. So after that when I come down, okay, so now you can see here I have all those, there is all those field available which we have created custom and our object. So now I have the student name, email, father name. Okay, so I want to customize that. Just are you agree? Okay, I want to keep this are you agree. Okay, just I am keeping here. Okay, so just I want to just keep the country here. Okay, I want to just like the student father name is here, student email is here, the student number is here, and then the country, then the P, and the total months I want to keep here. Okay, and total months and sample, select the teacher. Okay, so now I have customized this field layout. I'm going to save. When I save this layout, after saving this layout, when I am coming here and again I'm coming here to a student and I refresh this page. So now you can see the changing what I have done and my Salesforce org. So when I click on the new, so after clicking the new, you can see here I have customized all the page layout. Okay, so it's looking so bad. I want to just the Hamza file. Okay, so I am coming here. Uh, the owner who have created the record. So again, this is suppose standard field which this is supposed created by default when you are creating the object. So now I am going to refresh. After refreshing the page, I want to click OK. No again. So no problem. Refresh again. It takes some time. Again refresh. I want to check. Also available. Okay, no problem. It will done after some time. Okay, after a few minutes it will be changed automatically. Okay, so no again. Just why this is coming here? Because it's take some time. Sometimes it's take long time. Okay, but no problem. Again. Okay, no problem. We have done the changes. Okay, I want to see again that we have changed right or not. Okay, yeah, everything is right here. Let's have quick. And here I want to refresh and continue. Okay, so now after a few minutes it will be done. It will be uh, changed automatically. Okay, so now you can create the section here in the page layout. How you can create the section just like I am adding here the new field in the student, which is for address. Okay, so for address, which data type I will be selected? I will be selected the data type which text area. Okay, the text area. You can select the text area. I have to save. Label is title student address. Okay, then the next. After when I'm clicking the next, the next. Okay, now I have set the field. I come back to the page layout and then when I click here, so now I'm looking. I will show you that what is the section. The section is just like you are looking here the information. Okay, so this all is the one section. Okay, so I want just like this like the information section available here. I want to create the one more. So how I can do this? I will come back here on my page layout and here I have one thing. Okay, the section. I am selecting the section from here. Okay, and I drag down section. Okay, when I drag down the section I want to drag here. Okay, yes, here. So now what will be the section name? The section name is student address, student address information, address. Okay, so double column, yes, save it, save it. Okay, so I want to just change. If you want to change, so you can click on this. I'll just keep on one column. Okay, that's it. And now which one field will be available here? The student address. Okay, I want to just drag the student address to the next section and click here. Okay, after completing this process, I just click save here and force or refresh it. I run it refresh and I'm clicking on the new. When I click on the new, so here it's not available because sometimes the internet problem. This is supposed to take a time to creating the field. So there is no any big issue. Okay, I check it again. Okay, so I wanna okay. So after refreshing the page, I am coming here. Okay, because I have told you it takes some time. That's why I paste the video. Okay, so now you can see it. Okay, because the environment is totally changed. Okay, the flow is totally changed. And now when I come down, so you can see here the another section which I have created, student address information. Okay, so now you can here write and you can write the address. Okay, so when you wanna add some record, I wanna just add some record done here. Okay, father name is Shahad. Email is Daniel. Okay, just okay. Email is Daniel at the rate gmail.com. The country is belong to UAE. Okay, so the fees, what will be the fees? Is 300 and the total months is well, the course of total months is and what will be the teacher name? The teacher name is Ali. And now I wanna add some address. So belong to just like you can write any type of address. Okay, just like I'm putting here. Okay. And are you agree? Okay, when you are checking here, are you agree? Okay, agree. Just save the record. When you save the record, so you can see all the information, all the details here which I have created and which I have done. Okay, so I hope you understood that how we customize the form, the student form, okay, and how we can change it, okay, and how we can create the two columns here, how we can change the field here to drag left, right, up, down, and so more, and how you can create the section here. So I hope you all understand all of these things, okay. So thank you. Wait for the next video, okay? And next video we will discuss the next lecture, okay? Thank you so much. Subscribe the channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much.